Hello everyone. This is an instructional video for the class assignment and lesson plan to create the frog anatomy anchor chart using Canva. The first thing that I will be doing is I am going to be opening the Canva app. Upon opening, you will find pre-made design templates. Canva is a wonderful way for students to create a multitude of design projects for in-class. These include posters, presentations, flyers, infographics, and much more. I am going to be selecting a poster. As these pre-made poster templates load, on the sidebar here, you will discover various posters to choose from. I am going to be using the Assistive Text Showcase. As it is loaded, you will discover these little images with a clear background. These were once images taken into a software program with the white block background deleted, then changed into a PNG. I do not need these, so I will delete them. Now looking at my poster, I do want to keep the round circles, but I do need to edit them. So by starting, I will select them, and here at the top where it will say in a black box 5 elements selected, you will select Done, then Group. After, you will make your little element a little larger and center it. I do not want these to be too distracted, so I am going to select the transparency box at the top and dim it down just a little bit, but not to disappear completely. Once I am done, I'm going to take my subtext and my title, and I'm going to delete the subtext element. Now I'm going to take my title and bring it up just a tad. Once I am done, I'm going to select it and change it to Anatomy of a Frog. The next thing I am going to do is here at the bottom, select the elements of the text and delete those as well. Now the next step is to go find my frog ping. I'm going to now go into the internet and type in frog ping. As they are loaded, I can see that I have various frog pings to choose from. I'm going to select this one. As it's loaded, you will discover gray and white pixelated dots in the background. This indicates to me that this is a ping. I am going to now select it and save image. To check that this is a ping, I will go into my photos, and when you see the white background and then touch it, it will change into a black background. This is a ping. Now I will use the Canva app again. On the sidebar here, it will say Uploads. You will now select to upload an image or video. Photo library, all photos, and then your frog image. your frog images is loaded, you will now select it and it will appear in your poster. As you can assess, the front of the frog, there's not going to be enough room for text, so you will need to scroll it over just a tad and enlarge it. The next step is going to be adding the element arrows to properly label your frog. We are now going to go to the elements, search icon for arrow. Looking at your bar here, you have various arrows to choose from. Choose whatever feels comfortable and fun. I'm going to choose the squiggly line. Once your squiggly line or your arrow has appeared, you will now edit it by making it bigger or smaller, resizing it to whatever needs possible. To make this quicker and faster, by selecting your element, you can then go up to here, a duplicate. Take your time and have fun when labeling and or putting your arrows down. After you've completed putting your arrows down, next is to add the text. Going down just one more, select text. I do not want to use the font combination, so I will be using a subheading. Once your subheading has been added to your poster, you will now be changing the color and the font text and the size. Once you are done, move your text to the right and proper place. Edit it, and ensure that your spelling is correct. Once you are done, again, you can select the element and then duplicate, and then again edit. Once you are finished labeling your frog, you will now go into the font combinations and look for something that will fit for your vocabulary. I'm going to select this one, brunch. I'm going to pull this down towards the corner and edit it. Here I'm going to put the pronunciation of frog. Then I want to add a vocabulary word for the frog, so I'm going to go back into the internet and type frog definition. A tailless amphibian with a short, squat body, moist, smooth skin, and very long hind legs for leaping. I am going to select it, copy, go back into Canva, and paste. It has a dark background, so I'm going to select the whole text and change it to white for a much easier read. Then I'm going to select the font size, as you can see, the web feed is too close to my frog definition, so I'm going to select it and move it a little bit further out. I am now done with my frog anatomy poster. Here at the top you will find an arrow with a line bar underneath. This will help you save your poster to your photographs or your camera roll. Once you are done, you can go ahead and go into your photos and check your poster. You are now done. The next step is to go take your image and your poster and go get it printed out.